Hello class, this is the second example under tables of logarithm, and let us go through the question. The question tells us to solve the following using tables of logarithms and leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So I have drawn a table here, and this table consists of 3 columns. Column 1 we are going to indicate the number, column 2 the standard form, and lastly the logarithms. So the first number is 6.373. So this is the number 6.373. This number we write it in its standard form so that it becomes 6.373 times 10 to power 0. 10 to power 0. Then to get the logarithm here, we have to start by the power. So this is 0 point. Then look at the logarithm of 6.373 from the mathematical tables. So we come to this mathematical table and look at 6.373. So 6.37 is 8041, then 3 is telling us to add 2. So it is going to be 8043. 8043. So we are going to have 8043 as the logarithm of that number. Then the second number is in form of a log, so we have log 4.948, and first of all we have to get this particular number. We get its log first of all. So what is log 4.948 from tables? So we look at 4.948. 4.9 is here. 4.9, then 4, that is 6937, then 8 is telling us to add 7, so that is going to be 6944. 6944. So that is 0.6944. Then this is now the number, and we are going to indicate. So this actually represents the log form. So this is that number. So we write it here as 0.6944. Then this number, we are going to write it in its standard form, and this becomes 6.944 times 10. How many steps have we moved? 1 from left to right. That becomes a negative. So to get the logarithm of this, we have to start by above 1 point. So we check the logarithm of 6.944. What is the logarithm of 6.944? So 6.94, that is 8414, then 4 is telling me to add 2. 8414 add 2, so that is 8416. 8416. So that is going to be 8416. Then before we even go to the denominator, we know that when these numbers are written this way, we are supposed to multiply them. But the laws of logarithm says that when we are multiplying two numbers, we just need to add those numbers together. So what is 3 plus 6? That is 9. 4 added to 1, that is 5. 0 plus 4, that is 4. This is 16. 6 carry 1. So if you add 1 plus 0 plus bar 1, or negative 1 for that matter, we get 0. So up to that stage, we have solved the numerator. So straight away, we go to the denominator. So what is the value here? So that value is 0.004636. So we write it again in its standard form. So this is going to be 4.636 times 10 How many steps have we moved? 1, 2, 3. 3 to the right, so that is a negative 3. So to get the logarithm of this, we have to start with that number, that is but 3 point. So what is the logarithm of 4.636? 4.636. You come to your table, you look at 4.63. 3 is here, 3 is here, then 6. So you are going to add 6. So this is 6656. We add 6. So that is going to be 6662. 6662. So having gotten this number here, we are seeing that it is under the root. So when it is under the root, it is simply can be written as 0.004636. This can be written as that raised to power half. So this number here can as well be written this way. And once we have it, we are going to multiply this by this power here. So we are going to multiply by a half. This simply implies that we are dividing by 2. We are going to divide this by 2 just because of this sign here. What if it was a cube root? Then we could have divided it by 3 and so on. If it is for a fourth root, that is what we are going to do. So when we want to divide this number, we want to ensure that the characteristic part, this part, is written in such a way that it is divisible by 2. Remember, 3 is not divisible by 2. So this number here can as well be written as bar 4 plus 1. Bar 4 plus 1 is the same as bar 3. 0.6662. Then this is what we are going to divide by 2. Multiplying by a half is the same as dividing by 2. So let's see. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here, but 2 plus 2 goes here 0 point. There is going to be a remainder which is 1. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 6 again 3 times. And 2 goes into 2 once. So we have but 2 plus 0, that is just but 2.8331. So this is the solution of the denominator, and this is the solution of the numerator. So what do we have to do? And we are seeing a division sign here. So law of logarithm tells us that whenever you are dividing logarithms, you just need to subtract them. So we are going to subtract this numerator and this. So what do we get when we subtract that? What do we get when we do that? So we are going to have 9 minus 1, that is 8. 5 minus 3, that is 2. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Then 6 minus 8 is going to force us to carry 1 here, so that we are left by about 1. So that is 16. So 16 minus 8, that is 8. Then bar 1 minus bar 2 is the same as writing negative 1 minus negative 2. And this is a positive. So this becomes negative 1 plus 2, which is 1. So this is what we have, 1.8128. So we have again to go back here and eventually go back here to get our solution. So how do we go back here? So we realize that when we are from this point to this point, we started by having this as our characteristic part. So can we write this in this form? So this is going to be times 10 raised to power 1, so that we can move here. So to get the value that will come before this, we just need to get the anti-logarithm of this number, anti-logarithm of 8128. So how do we get anti-logarithm of 8128? Anti-logarithms. We go to tables of anti-logarithms, then we look for anti-logarithm 81 28. So we have 81, then 2 is here. So this is 6.486, then 8. 8 is telling us to add 12 to this 6.486. So if we add 12, we get 6.498. 6.498. So we are going to have this as 6.498. And for us to get back here, we just need to multiply this direct. So what is 6.498 times 10 to the power 1? That is just 64.98. So this becomes our solution. So we have the solution as, this is an equal sign, 64.98. So this is the solution to this particular question here. So this is a step-by-step method on how we can use tables of logarithms to find a solution. Remember always to put your numbers into this tabular form so that you are not confused. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If in any case you have a question, please drop your comment on the comment box below. Bye.